It's not for everyone, but it's for me. This week, Taylor with Diamond State Off-Road and I have been trying to link up for some time to go out and do some wheeling together. So we started off by going to Glory Hole Falls before we hit the trails and make our way to the Bonfire Rendezvous in the Ozarks.
Made it to Glory Hole very loud. And we met up with Diamond State Off-Road.
There's something about pulling up the map, picking a random road to explore, driving dirt roads and crossing creeks that just allows your mind to escape from the real world and look past all the issues and problems. Getting to see new things and seeing what my truck is capable of is one way I escape. Now with every adventure, an obstacle can present itself. With my first Gen Tundra being two-wheel drive, it was bound to happen.
Well guys, we just finished the trail. Pretty neat little trail doing some wheeling. Things are rattling everywhere, but got some service to route us to the bonfire. So that's where we're headed.
Most overlanders like to go out and separate themselves from society by getting deep into the woods. Now don't get me wrong, I love to do that, but every now and then an event pops up that allows you to camp with others and allows others to check out your rig and lets you network with other people. This week happened to be the Bonfire Rendezvous in the Ozarks, hosted by Natural State Overland. At this event, I got to meet up with Budget Overland, and after chatting it up for a while with Benji and Jay, Taylor and I were asked to be on a video podcast with them, where we talked about how we got started and why we enjoy overlanding.
Who's the winner now? Alright guys, we just finished doing a podcast with Budget Overland. You can check them out on
budgetoverlandofficial.com or facebook.com/group/budgetoverland.
They'll post on Wednesday. So when you see this video, go check their stuff out immediately.
Didn't come out so hot.
So we just left the lodge pretty neat little event. I definitely would do it again and come back, and would highly recommend some of you guys to come hang out. If they've got another bonfire next year, definitely do it again. In other words, the rendezvous will be in October, which is held by the same people with Natural State Overland. Some great guys that put on that event. And anyways, me and Taylor with Diamond State are headed to do the day 3 trail backwards. We're going to avoid a little bit of it. Pretty much we're going to try and avoid the technical part of it, and just enjoy the rest of the day before we head on home.
Have multiplied.
Yeah, one wanted to bite your mud flap off.
I won't say what I want.
Hard life picking up cameras.
Kind of deep. Huh? I mean, I can make it.
I think I can too. I think I've always gone that way though.
I go this way. In a 2-wheel drive.
You have a snorkel.
I do have a snorkel. Now, it's not for everyone, but it's for me. Networking with other people, testing out my rig's ability to take on obstacles, to chats over the radio, to even going through the mud holes and crossing the creeks, a story has been made and a memory that lasts a lifetime.
We have wrapped up for the day. We've hit Highway 123, and we are going to head on home. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment, and also go check out Diamond State Off-Road. I'm sure he'll appreciate your views and your subscriptions. He's got a goal to get to 400 subscribers by July, and I know some of you guys can help him out with that. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.
In partnership with Fast Track Overland. Gear I use: Cascadia Vehicle Tents, Prinsu Roof Rack Designs, Rome Adventure Company, Baja Design Lighting, Northwest Trail Innovations, Midland Radios, Renogy Solar Systems, RCI Off-Road Bed Wrap, Rotopax Recovery, and Dometic Coolers. You can purchase Eagles Overlanding merchandise at longcreekoverland.com.